Hey, how you going today, guys? Today I'm going to do a little follow-up video from my last video about staking SPI. So firstly, I'm going to insert a small portion of my last video into this, and then after that I'm going to show you the results of my staking so far. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it. I'm going to connect my wallet. Okay, and I'm going to press stake. Okay, and I'm gonna stake 100%. Alright, and now I'm gonna approve it. Okay, and I'm just gonna put in a higher transaction fee because I don't want to wait around forever. I'm gonna have to confirm that on my Okay, so there you go. You can see I have my balance of 1007 SPI, approved 1007, and now all I have to do is press stake. Oh, gas fee is quite high, but I'm just going to get this done fast. Okay, so there you go. You can see my balance here, and it says 906 SPI. Okay, and just before I show you the results, just a quick reminder of those who are staking their SPI tokens for the first time. The dividends that you actually earn on SPI come from these two methods. Okay, so the first method you get the dividends is from the Uniswap fee. Okay, and every transaction that happens on Uniswap, in the Uniswap pool, you get a portion of those fees, and these fees are distributed every Thursday. And the other method where you get the fee is you get a 10% fee from stakers who stake or unstake on the platform. Okay, and this will instantly appear in your account when this happens. Okay, and now for the results. Okay, so just to confirm the date that I started staking my SPI, I confirmed my transaction of 1007 SPI on January 28th with the price of $10.44, and now it is February 6th with the current price being at $34.50, which is actually quite a nice pump to say the least. Actually, that's over 200%. Which is pretty darn amazing. Okay, so as you can see in my account, I have a balance of 906 SPIO. 100 SPI tokens were taken away when I entered, and a further 100 will be taken away when I exit. Now, so far during that time, I have earned a total of 21.98 SPI in about 6 days. Right now I've earned around 22 SPI, so I need 178 more to break even, plus any gas that I used. After that I can start to enjoy my passive income from my SPI. So right now I have to say this is actually looking pretty darn good. So what do you think? Have you tried staking yet? Do you think it's a good deal? As for me, I believe in the project. I'm a long-term investor, so I think staking is really worthwhile, but please write your thoughts and comments in the section below. In other news, Shopping.io have recently partnered with Utrust, so when you check out, you have an option of using either Utrust or coin payments as a payment method, which is pretty cool. Also, the team confirmed that they'll soon have integration with Amazon DE, Amazon UK, and Aliexpress, which is actually fantastic news for shoppers outside the US. So anyone using crypto from these countries will get free delivery service, which is pretty amazing. So it looks like business is really starting to expand. Also, don't forget when you purchase some items from Shopping.io to leave a review on Trustpilot, and this will help the project to get even more momentum. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because I'm a new channel and your support will really help. So thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.